Hello and welcome to Stockwatch, presented by me, Evan Lucas, for Go Market Securities. As always, please have a very good read through of the disclaimer on screen. Everything in this video is general in nature, none of which relied upon as any form of personal advice. Go Market Securities does not know your personal scenario nor your personal financial goals, and therefore none of which relied upon as any form of advice at all. Is just general in nature only. Stock risk over commodities. Why I want to highlight this: Paladin Energy. It's been an interesting one out there for those of you that follow uranium. I know it's a controversial topic, but there are some that really believe that uranium and the energy source that it could be is something quite investable. However, there is that stock risk that comes with investing in things that are in developing worlds. And rumors over this week saw Paladin fall 20% on no news at all. Now the suggestion is its overall rights in Namibia could be under pressure. There could be changes to how the ownership agreement is done and whether or not there will be some form of state intervention in their projects in Namibia is certainly putting that pressure down. Don't forget, they are still very much the front driving force in Australia in uranium. They have an incredible tenement up in the Northern Territory, but again, they're not the only part of their overall mix that is there. That fall means that you've now seen Paladin go back to 55 cents. That's the lowest it's been in over 2.5 years. And therefore there it is, that question now the market is giving it: is there actually a structural geopolitical risk inside Paladin's portfolio? And that is the question that we're asking here, because as I said, uranium has been a fascinating play over the COVID years. There's no doubt that the drive, particularly in places like France, is making the idea that uranium needs to be part of the energy mix. And whether you agree with that or not is fine. And you should be asking that question very strongly of your overall ethical view about what uranium is. But those of you that see it, those that understand the investability of uranium is there, continuing that it will be part of the energy mix for the globe, watch this space. It's quite interesting when these kinds of falls happen, and how it plays out will actually be the question that everybody needs to ask. Because if Paladin can negotiate through their issues in Namibia, there is a very, very interesting case to say that it's got some long way to climb back very, very quickly.